All right, we're gonna make a set of parallettes. Here's some of the tools and the equipment we need. I've got some wooden dowel and a 2x4, and we need a tape measure. Now we have a drill press, but not everybody has a drill press. You can also use a drill, a skill saw. We also have a chop saw that we're gonna be using. You'll need a ruler, tape measure, some drill, and later on we'll show you what size of bits we're using for this project. But this is the equipment, generally what you'll need. All right, I got my trusty assistant Carson measuring here for me. So we're gonna measure, these are for the sides. This will help support the wooden dowel. Carson's gonna measure out 1 foot, so 12 inches. He's just gonna draw a straight line. This is for when he cuts. We'll need 4 of these pieces. So we'll have him draw that out first. All right, you got Carson holding the board. He's now gonna cut each section 1 foot each. This is the first time for him using this, so he's a little nervous. Okay, I want him to hold it secure. He's got safety glasses on. His hand's not near the blade. He has to hold everything tight until he's finished the cut. So here he goes. Turn it on first. He cut the whole board, so we'll let him try again. Just give me a second. All right, now he's gonna finish the job here. There we go, he got it at that. Now we're gonna take 1 inch off each corner. We'll probably round them after we cut that corner off at a 45. I'll show how Carson's gonna do this. So he's gonna measure 1 inch from the top, and then he's going to take, use the 45-degree angle and draw a line. And he's going to do that for every side, every corner, and then we'll show him cutting those. All right, Carson's prepping to cut the 45s. Now we set our saw also at 45 degrees. If you don't have one of these, again, you can just use a hand saw and attach it to a table, and then use your skill saw on your own. But here Carson goes cutting the 45. Moved a little, but not bad. Oh, he still has an extra piece. Okay, whoa, don't, we'll start. Okay, so line it up again. Okay, hold it tight. Okay, and go. All right, that's one. We got the rest of the blocks to go. All right, Carson's now gonna cut the dowel. We're using a 1.5 inch dowel. It's a little bit thicker than the ones we previously made, but I think they're more closer to a set of P-bars. So I'm gonna make them 1 foot long, and so we're gonna cut those next, and then we'll show those what those look like. Okay, Carson has this one lined up. We're gonna need 2 pieces for this. All right, so we'll hold it back up. Now turn it on. Now we need to make one more. So we're now measuring where the dowel is going to insert. So what we are using is 1.5 inch bit. So we want to have about a 1/2 inch at the top, because if you put the dowel down, if we go too low, we won't be able to fit our fingers under the bars when they're on the ground, but we can't go to the top. We want to have a little bit of wood there. So first we measured from the top down 1 1/4, because that's where the center of the bit will go. And then the second measurement Carson's going to have to do is from here to here, right in between, which would be 6 inches, because these are 12 inches long, and that'll be the center of the set. So we'll get Carson to measure all those out now. All right, we've measured all these out. Carson's a little nervous, so I'll start with the first drill. So we've got it clamped in. Now, of course, you see we're gonna go through the table. So we're gonna start to keep it solid, drilling like this. Carson But I'm gonna do this first part. I'll pass the phone for him. This is gonna be a process, drilling with this. Alright, I'm gonna put it over the edge so that I can now drill it through. That's a little more in control. And we can cut back to later. Almost got all the way through. You can see there's a hole all the way. I'm going to flip it just so it doesn't splinter so much on this side and finish off the hole. Let's see how this fits. Just got a little bit of fine tuning. There we go. That's one. All right, we got Carson here again. We've done our holes on the 4 pieces, and now we're gonna put some glue on the dowel and then stick them in the hole. They are gonna be, some of them might be a little tight. Let's get it all the way around. We can wipe off any excess if we have to. That's good. And then, all right. And then we'll just do that for all 4, and then we'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, now we've put them together. We've glued them. We put glue in, but we're gonna secure them with a screw. So we're gonna pre-drill a little pilot hole, make sure the bit is smaller than the screw, but then there's no splitting if you use the drill bit. So watch Carson here, he's gonna try. I'll hold this a little for him. Oh, stop for a second, it's turning the wrong way, you can tell. All right, that's good. And pull it out. Perfect. We're gonna do that to all of them. All right, our last piece here is the screw. So try to screw it in straight as you can. Carson, you might wanna hold both, yeah. The screws are in. Don't wanna strip it. I might have to help. I want to countersink it a little bit so it's flush to the there. And we just got 3 more and then we're all done. All right, they're all done. And Carson's just going to test them out. Hands down, yep, that looks like they work. I'll try to add a list of everything you need on the comments section of the video. Thanks, everybody.